Don't you to go. Don't you to go. Don't you to go. Telling you to go. Telling you to go. Don't you go.
Oh, do we have to stream today? Or should we just take a day off, chat? I feel like I should just take a day off and just be like, leave you guys to your own devices. Oh man, I'm tired. Listen, low energy stream today, chat, but let's start it up. Fine, I'll make a bill today. I'll make a bill. Fuck it. All right, let's start the stream. Long night with Tom is crazy. In 3, chat, 2. Welcome back, everybody. How we doing? Chat, what's popping? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Can't be tired if you don't have Lambo tires. That's me right now, chat. I can't lie. I went to bed at 7 o'clock last night, chat. 7 o'clock this morning, sorry. How cooked? How cooked? And I'm still turning up for stream. You guys better, I don't know, you better at least drop a like on the stream. That is ridiculous. Nice haircut, though. I just came back from the barber. Yeah, thank you, chat. It's all right. It's all right. I'll tell you a little story about that in a bit. But chat, yeah, honestly, I went to bed at 7 last night. This morning, like I said, we were working on new vids. I was working on new vids. I was. Chat, by the way, if you haven't already, the fuck are you doing not watching my most recent video, bruv? I hate saying that word, but chat, if you're not watching the new vids, then what are you even doing, man? Look, we dropped a banger yesterday. We dropped an absolute smackaroonski. Look at this. Fine, I'll link it for you so you guys can watch it later. Don't worry, I got you guys. Look at this. Wait, where's the comments? What does this guy mean this ain't it? Oh, yeah, that's the boy right there, Danny. You love to see that. Probably not since you're watching this video. It's okay if you don't think it works, but keep that for yourself. Ooh. Danny on smoke. Chat, listen. 40 man in here right now. Yeah, the comments are mad, bro. I don't understand it. I actually taught some serious sauce and showed it's roughly 100k in payouts. And we're like, But chat, listen, 30 of you in here right now. Drop a like if you haven't already. As you can see, my markings are still on the charts, so I haven't been on the charts so far today. So let's jump into a quick analysis here. I had to go for something a little stronger today, chat. So I've got some cocaine instead of the pink monster. No, I'm joking. I got a white monster because the white monster is... I'm not even going to say that. All right, look. Weekly time frame, chat, still bullish. You did flip yesterday, but you've reflipped now. Daily time frame as well. Oh, sorry, daily time frame. It doesn't actually look like that. Let me show you actually what it looks like. Daily time frame looks like this actually. So technically we came down, grabbed the bottom wick, and we've now flipped. I'm expecting this to continue up here, and that this is just liquidity, to be honest. 4 hour looks good. Previous 4 hour closed bullish. You do have a level right here, but you actually closed, I would say, above it, to be honest, chat. Now, looking at the 2 hour, similar story. Obviously, closed above the level, all of that type of shit. 1 hour closed bearish most recently, chat, which is interesting. You closed above the level, now back below it. So I'm going to need to see, very simply right now, chat, a little closure Rooney above here. That would also equate to the 4 hour flip, which would be very nice. And that will take us up towards minimum of 37.14. Now, chat, if you guys are switched on right now, if you guys are locked in, you will notice that that is the exact same trade we took yesterday on stream. A little bit lower because we've made a new level now, because the level was 05.2 before. but it's the exact same trade. Little comeback down, market structure shift, closure above. So hopefully we can take some good advantage of that after a nice little strong closure here, chat, on the hourly. Now, if you do start to push down, you've got room to like 96.9. And then if you close below there, obviously it's going to continue towards... we'll do 85. 85 is a decent level. It could go even further towards like 82. Actually, let's leave it as 82. But yeah, chat, realistically for right now, it's very simple. I'm going to look for the buys right here above 06. And we're going to look for that to target 14, and after 14 all the way up towards like 24, even further. I don't really fancy the sells too much today, chat, but we'll see what happens, man. Hopefully we get some nice little setups here. I have an update for you guys, chat. Yet another update, yet another positive update as well. Yesterday, FOMC kind of cooked, I can't lie. Adding another $100,000 in funding here, chat, bringing my total to $800,000 funding now. I need to change the title, actually. Oh no, I already have. Yeah, bro. Chat, $800,000 in funded capital here. Coming into Q4 is going to be delicioso. Tom Eustace, the boy, passed the 50K today. Absolute W's, man. I saw... Well, I mean, I messaged you about that. Absolutely clean. Congratulations. What's good, Z Estate? What's up, broski? Glad to see you grinding now. I just came from after a daily drawdown. Oh, bro, it's tough. That's tough, man. I'm sorry to hear that. But we bounce back, eh? We bounce back. Ewan, what's good, brother? I'm trying to implement the concept you talked about in your vid today. W. Quiet Impacts, what's good as well? FX killed me. Why? Danny, what's good, my bro? We were just talking about how you backed the beef in the YouTube comments. Mad respect for that. The boy Danny. Chat, if you guys had ever see anyone drop in comments about TRLS, how it doesn't work, how I can't trade, just go drop some smoke. Go drop a nuke in the comments. Why not? Much love, Mr. Danny. But yeah, chat, look. We got 15-minute closing here at about 3 minutes, not 30 seconds. 3 minutes. Realistically, we're ranging right now, so we need to see something other than ranging for me to get set up, and then we could be good. Chat, honestly, 7 a.m. bedtime last night was not the one. Although yesterday, chat, was a very productive day, like I said, right? Now, had a new experience yesterday. I can't lie, I went to a new barber. I had to go to a new barber because mine was busy. And I was so desperately in need for a trim. So I went to my boy's barber. And I got the full, I don't know, shebang. You know what I mean? The razor shave, the eyebrows done, the nose thing. Bro, it's kind of crazy. I've never had that shit before. I was sat there like, whoa. This guy was doing that type of shit. It's actually mad. No toes though. No toes, Weelu. Unfortunately, bro. What's good, Eugene? Combo set on fire. Not quite that far. I told bro he was gonna do like a skin, like whatever, a face mask, skin treatment, etc. And I had the boys waiting with me in the back, like in the chair, well, like in the waiting area. And I just couldn't. I didn't want to be mean, so I was like, nah, we'll do it next time. Maybe we'll do the cotton balls then though. Happy ending. I had to turn that one down as well, unfortunately. What's good, Sam Meat? How's it going, brother? I'll just find that I didn't scrap them. Yeah, nice, Anil. That's the move. Chat, 50 people in here right now, 12 likes. Drop a fucking like on the stream. Otherwise, chat, I'm going to stop streaming. Simply as that. I'm going to stop streaming. And that's going to be it. But yeah, let's get to at least like 40 likes on the stream. Nah, 30. We'll do 30 for right now. You guys can do that, right? Drop a like if you haven't already, man. This stream's going to be a good one. I think there's a lot of opportunity here. Genuinely a lot of potential today. We had FOMC yesterday, so price should be behaving relatively well today. It should be pure price action. Do we have news today? Let me check. No. Yeah, you do. Sorry. Unemployment claims in 45 minutes. That is going to be interesting, chat. That is going to be interesting. So it's not pure price action, but... Mr. Mochi got in trouble, bro. No way. What's good, Edson? How's it going, my bro? Welcome back. I didn't really like... Wait, I originally wanted to take the 1 hour sky dweller, but I didn't like how it formed. Yeah, it's a bit weird, Danny. I agree. Yo, Anil, you're definitely like a couple of minutes behind on the stream. I can't lie. Bro keeps sending a message like a couple of minutes behind. Someone tell Anil to refresh the stream or click on the live button because bro's definitely behind. Chat, 15-minute closing here. My bad, I knew it. How are we going to close, chat? Doji by the looks of things. Yeah, weak bullish doesn't really mean anything, chat. By the way, as part of my lock-in, I've been posting on Twitter, chat, but I've not just been posting regular shit. I've been posting value. So if you haven't already, make sure you go over to the X or Twitter or whatever the fuck you want to call it. Look at this, chat. Been posting the mega threads. Like, took the buys on stream and then 7 trading myths. Look at this, chat. That's crazy. Then another one here. And then another one here. Loads of shit, chat. So make sure you go follow the Twitter. It's very, very important, right? I'm going to drop more value on there than I am going to be on Instagram, TikTok, etc., right? So YouTube and Twitter is going to be where you go if you want to learn. What's good, Will? How's it going, brother? What's doji? You know when a candle closes like, let me find an example. Like this kind of, where it's got basically no body. Like this. Yeah, basically like all of those are doji candles. Basically just is a bit of an awkward candle, right? Blew my 10 again 3 times this year. Last payout was February. What a drought, long time. Edson, bro, sometimes that happens, man. Sometimes you go through a drought. I mean, I haven't made any money trading in the last month. Not because I haven't made profit, but I haven't taken any payouts or anything like that. It just happens. Like sometimes trading is not linear, right? Chat, this is one thing you guys need to understand. Trading is not linear. So you might get like, you know, payouts happening like this, and then it will drop a little bit, and then you go like this, and it'll drop a little bit, and then maybe it flatlines for ages, and then you get some more payouts. It's just how it goes.
That's how it goes.
What do you know about how it goes?
I'm just grabbing some stuff. Maybe there's much yellow.
Does Trendlines have lipstick on? Bro, it actually does look like I have lipstick on, eh? It's because me and Tom have been smooching so much.
That's cooler than the big dog.
Oh no. Bro, chat, last night we were trying to put a washing machine like load on to wash some clothes. And we didn't know how to do it without my girl here, so we're gonna have to actually FaceTime her to figure it out. Onion and celeries? Nah, bro. You gotta trade the TRLS strat. It's like a more advanced version of that. Anything on FX? Bro, I don't trade FX, unfortunately, so I don't really see anything. Tom, do you see SG Schlong?
Crazy.
That is fucking ridiculous. Not this guy again. Tell him to go off stream. Yeah, Danny's actually right. Tom got stuck, so you had to help him out. No, where do you lot goon? All right, chat. It's not the degenerate hour yet. It's only 12:45, right? Degeneracy hour is 1:45. So let's stay locked in for a little bit longer. What's good, Blizzy? How you doing, my bro? For right now, chat, gold is pushing down here. Makes it relatively difficult to catch a little position here. Oh, chat. By the way, this Top Step account right here is like $300 off passing, 350 off passing. It was 110 off passing, but I took a minor L. And then chat, the other 3 are like 2% off passing. So once I pass all of these, that is gonna be $1 million in funding, chat. This is what's gonna take me over the line for $1 million funding. Deep that, chat. 7-figuroons. I feel like that's pretty impressive. I can't lie. Can't lie. Nah, it's very impressive. I'm not gonna cap. That's been a goal of mine for ever since I started trading fundeds, like a couple of months ago, 6 months ago. I reckon $1 million has been in the back of my mind. I locked in for this week with Tom to try and do it, and then I'm about to achieve it. So I might have to, low-key, I might have to up the goal. But chat, hear me out on this idea for a series. Hear me out. Me and Tom have been working on a series called the Great Q4 Lock-In. It might not be called that, but it's to do with the Q4 Lock-In, right? I'm saying we upload weekly vlogs of like at the lock-in, be completely transparent with like how much money I make, fitness, all of that sort of thing, physique improvements, and basically just show that, right? What do you guys think? Would you guys watch that? Don't just say yeah as well, because you guys say you'd watch it and then sometimes you don't. So kind of like 75 hard, yeah, but there's not really like rules that we have to do, you know? I mean, kind of, but I still might be a little bit degenerate here and there, you know? We still might go hit the club every now and then. What's good, Mighty Meat? How's it going, my bro? Would love that series. I think it'd be sick. I think it would be so cool. Hey, how much in fees do you pay for those accounts on a monthly basis? $50 for each Top Step account. But obviously once I pass them, there won't be a fee. And then all of the rest of them are passed, right? So there's no fee for them. Might have to go mosh every once in a while. Me and Tom were talking about this the other day, right? Like, we said once Tom hits his first 10K month, we'll go mosh again. There's a weekly upkeep, I think. No, there's not, bro. What? Now you pay. For Apex you pay a one-time fee and that's it. Isn't it like 150 USD payments per month once the account is passed? No, bro. For Apex, wait, I'll show you, because I have to activate some right now. For Apex, there is a $140 fee to activate the account, and after that that lasts you for 10 years. $100 per month for a PA account? No, bro. Blizzy, what do you mean? Oh, you can do that. Yeah, you can do a monthly payment, or you can pay it all in one. You can pay $100 monthly or $140 lifetime. Like, it makes no sense to do the monthly one, right? If it's only $40 more. Unless you're trying to full port, then yeah, maybe, right? But I'm not trying to do that. Chat, 55 people in here. Drop a like on the stream. Let's get to at least 30 likes. By the way, if you guys do want to grab an account with Apex, they are currently 80% off still. I believe that promotion runs out at the end of this week. So code TRLS is what gets you nice little 80% off on that. Let me show you. So when you pass an account, right, you have to... Wait, can I show the screen or is this... You have to do like the signature, obviously. Right? And then once you do the signature, you just pay for the account. Wait, the signature looks like this. Which one would you recommend? Top Step or Apex? Apex is a lot easier, bro. There's a lower barrier to entry. It's cheaper. You can pass accounts easier. No need to show if it's personal. Nah, yeah, I was just checking if it had personal info. I don't think it does. Then you have to sign it, right? The problem is, it's so difficult to sign on this. Oh shit, that is personal. It's so difficult to sign on this shit. So you have to like do a little squiggly-rooney. And then it's passed. Which is better, Apex or GoFunded? I prefer Apex, bro. You can trade 20 Apex accounts. Chat. You guys are cooked. You guys are actually cooked. Alright. Anyone who brings attention to that from this point onwards gets banned. How about that? Huh? It's just trying to help you guys out, you know? What did it show? I don't think it showed much. Wait. Bro, I told you. The thing is, right? Either way, that's my old address. So you're good. You doxed me. Yeah, you did, actually. I can't lie. Chat, there's an hour candle closing here in 5 minutes. Wait, let me show you this bit, though, because I actually do want to show this. Oh, no, I didn't even show shit. Okay, fair. All right, we're good. Wait. Let me just check on this page first. All right, we're good. So yeah, you basically have to pay either a lifetime fee that's $140 for 10 years and then $1 for each 10 years after that, or sorry, a cent, or you pay £105 a month. But for me, it makes no sense to pay the other one, right? You may as well just do the lifetime one, because then it's once. Because if you have the account for 2 months, it's already cheaper. Unless you don't trust yourself to hold an account for over a month, which is kind of crazy. At that point, maybe you shouldn't even be trading on the funded. Gold's not going to do shit. I mean, we'll see, bro. Chat, you've got comics open here in about 20 minutes. Hourly close in 4 minutes. What else do we have here, chat? Then you've got, obviously, unemployment claims 10 minutes after that. Delicious. I bought an Apex account 2 days ago. Took 3 good trades. $450 profit so far. Danny, that's huge. Do you still need a clipper, bro? Yes. DM me on Instagram. It's the easiest way. And if you don't have Instagram, then DM me on Discord, I guess. But Instagram's easier. I check that more. Instagram's kind of the only platform that I actually check relatively regularly. All right, I need to load up like my Ninja Trader and everything so that I can actually get these accounts. Where's the strawberry one? I know, bro. I went to the bakery today and they only had the white one, so I had to make do. I can't lie. It is what it is, though, man. Times are tough in these streets. In the hood, where I live. Couldn't actually be further away from the hood. How's the Marty shop woman doing? Still Marty, man. Still Marty. How can I learn from you? Quiet Impacts. You can DM me on Instagram. I have a one-on-one coaching program as well as a full course detailing my entire strategy. Ask any of the guys in chat how good the programs are. There's people in this chat right now that are in the one-on-one. There's people that are in this chat right now that are in the course. Both of them will tell you how good the fucking programs are. Genuinely more valuable than any other fucking trader out there. Like, bro, Tom got put in a Discord with like 20 leaked courses. No, like probably it was more like 100 leaked courses from traders throughout the industry. Like big names as well. TJR, Powell, all of them guys. Bro, my course is 1,000 times better than them. Genuinely like 1,000 times. It's longer. There's way more detail. I cover a broader range of topics and go into more detail on every single individual topic. And it's cheaper. Course is elite. There you go. See, Anil says, Anil's in the course. Chat, if you want to learn, that is the fastest way, right? You can also just do this, right? I think you can just go, I believe that I've been following you for 2 years on IG. You inspired me to start trading. Hey, good stuff, man. I'm glad to hear that. I'm glad to hear, bro. There's a couple of people that I've inspired to start trading, right? And it's like, It's very interesting because that means that, like, not only did they learn from me, but they also got inspired to start. So they wouldn't have even started trading. For example, Dorian wouldn't have started trading if he didn't come across, like, my page. And now, bro, literally got like 47K in payouts or some shit on Top Step. Like, how crazy is that? I mean, obviously, bro put in hella work. But the fact that, like, I don't know, I take great pride in that. It's one of the things I'm most proud of. Of course, it's useful as fuck, very detailed and surprisingly simple to understand. Hey, thank you, bro. I appreciate that, Ewan. Chat, yeah, the course is good. If you want to take it up to the next level, the one-on-one is obviously going to be, like, exponentially better and faster for learning, but both are going to do the job, right? How's he doing? I don't know, bro. I think he's... last time I saw he was traveling, so he's probably just enjoying the bread he's made. I'd be doing the same, bro. If I was 18 years old and I made like 50K in a couple of months, or whatever it is, 40K, I would be literally... I probably wouldn't chat to anyone again for a while. What I'm trying to say is thank you. I appreciate it, brother. Nah, that's, there's no thanks needed. I'm glad that you are locked in and trading with us. Chat, hourly closed bearish, by the way, and the current hourly is now flipping downwards here. This is very interesting. What's going to happen here, chat? Kind of in the middle of the range, though, which is a bit difficult, to be honest. I'm not the biggest fan of this here. You broke a high, but is that also... Did you break London? Oh, you broke Asian highs, you know. You might... This might be the sweep of dreams. This might be a good sweep for you to come down and actually... Like, because you swept Asian high, now you start to reject. Maybe you start to push down. I don't know, chat. There's no setup for me right here now, though. Holy shit. English, please. That's one thing that happens, chat, when I have a lack of sleep like I did last night. My speech starts to deteriorate a little bit. So forgive me if I'm stammering like a motherfucker. Chat, listen. Drop a like on the stream if you haven't already, man. Drop a like on the stream. 75 people in here. Only 25 likes. Let's lock it in, man. A lot of potential. Looking for sales today? Structure looks pretty bearish. I'm not looking for anything just yet. I want to see it make a move first, and then we can adapt, right? Yeah, realistically, we need to see it make some direction and actually, you know, give us some confirmations, and then we can go ahead and actually decide what we're looking for here. That's what I've been doing recently, to be honest. Rather than trying to predict where price is going to go, I just let it do a little bit of its thing, and then, you know, that's the one. Is Tom out of the shower? Oh, not right. It's not really looking bearish. Yeah, I don't know, man. It's not really looking evil right now. That's what I'm saying. What's good, Malinka? How's it going, my bro? What's good? What's good? Chat, what if we make a mill today, though? Seriously. Like, a mill could be quite nice. The 1 hour closed quite bearish, you know. Definitely see a bullish day. I'm just going to wait for a big ass institutional candle. Yeah, I hear that. Chat, comics open in 15 minutes, right? It's going to be very, very interesting. Then after that, obviously, you've got unemployment claims as well. So we might be waiting for news as well here. FOMC yesterday, by the way, chat. Did anyone trade it? FOMC yesterday was fucking crazy work. Look at this. Wang, wang. But if you know how to trade news, chat, it gets very easy. So you made nice profits? Yeah, man. I just waited for first position. I had two positions on FOMC, chat. The first one was this closure here after the 5 closed bullish with the mega stops. Nah, it wasn't really with the mega stops. I think I dropped to the lower time frames for that one. Where is that? What did I use for stops? To be honest, I was probably using current candle here. Yeah, I think I was like this, to be honest, current candle. That was the first position, and then the second one was after the 15 flipped, I believe. Where is it? This, wait, no, it was the 30 here. Yeah, this 30 bearish close, I took sells. So I took buys and sells yesterday, chat. That's called being an adaptable trader, right? We had the buys, realized the buys played out, took profit on that when we broke these highs, and then took the sells. Muy caliente. Chat, in all seriousness, what if I wanted to just like full port all my apexes right now? What would you do? Would you stop me or would you encourage me? You guys good influences or bad influences? That's what I want to know. If I was like, chat, I'm going to over risk and full port right now. First of all, I think you guys would think I'm joking because I'm the most disciplined trader in the world. But if I was dead serious about it, I wonder what you guys would do. Would you be like, no, SG, please, no, don't do it, no? Would you be like, yeah, run it, do it. You guys would definitely be like that, I can't lie. SG, if price breaks below, we sell, right? That price, 37.06, considered a liquidity sweep? I think so, yeah, it could be. I think, yeah, it swept Asian highs, right? But the structure's bullish, so this is a conflicting bias right now, bro. Because you have a bearish liquidity sweep, right? You swept the liquidity and then rejected down. But the problem is the hourly structure is still bullish. So for me, it gets very difficult here. You have to double or nothing if you're full ported? Crazy. One sec, chat. Oh my days.
Wait, let me put some clothes on. Oh my god.
This guy's just come on stream naked again. That's 2 days in a row.
Let's go out of the shower.
2 days in a row, naked stream. I can't believe it. It's ridiculous.
Alright, well then, I'll entertain the viewers for a bit. Wait, you'll have to mind, I just got out of the shower, so. What we saying, guys? Nah, won't get banned. I still got my trousers on, that's the important part. Come on, guys, we can't keep doing this. We can't keep with the sus comments. But I'm not gonna lie, ever since I've come out here, because Sam's girl's not here at the minute, I'm having to take the reins on just like running this house because he has no idea how to look after himself. I'm trying to figure out their washing machine right now, but it's in fucking Greek right now. Call it a day and play GeoGuessr. It's too early for that, mate. Too early. No, Danny, genuinely, that's what I was saying to him. I was like, have I actually came out here to lock in, or have you asked me to come out here so I can fucking look after you? He's useless. He's actually useless. Oh, he's in chat. Sam, mate, get off the toilet. No, to be fair, the last few days, like, we've been going to bed at like 5:30, 6:30. Just, I don't know about you guys, but we find it easier to work like late at night. Hopefully there's market dumps. Should I just take a sneaky position? Oh.
Bro's actually not locked in.
I was just letting them know that.
Get out.
Without me here, you might not be alive. You might not even be able to stream.
Get out of the way.
You could.
Don't believe this absolute fraud. Don't believe anything he says. Alright?
I'm not just trying to crack the washing machine.
This guy is literally just as bad as me. Right? You literally are. You're Mr. Messi. This guy leaves stuff all around the gaff. Especially in my office, bro, because he sleeps right there. I come in the morning, there's just like boxes and like just stuff everywhere. It's ridiculous. But chat, listen. 5-minute closing here very shortly. What a guan. I don't know, man. Like, this is so difficult right now. I think Comex Open should give us some volume here in like a couple of minutes. Or 10 minutes to be precise. But realistic, oh my days, it's hot as fuck in this room, bro. Yeah, realistically, it's gonna be an interesting one, chat.
I'm gonna show this because I'm gonna call thingy.
Alright. Good boy is mad. Listen, chat, 73 of you in here right now. Let's get to 50 likes on the stream. The streams have just started up again this week. We're trying to show some, or trying to get the momentum back up here. Trying to teach as many people to become profitable as physically possible, right? And I can only do that by you guys helping me out, boosting the stream and showing some love, right? So I appreciate it very much. But yeah, man, we got to lock in here. We got to lock in. Oh my days, chat. $10 billion, please, right now. Chat, how have you guys been doing this week, though? How have you guys been in terms of trading? Like, what's your P&L for the week? Oh, chat, actually, I wanted to show you something right now, but it's going to ruin the vlog. It's going to spoil it, so I'm not going to show you. Yeah, honestly, hopefully you guys are killing it this week. It's been an interesting fucking... It's been one of the best trading weeks I've had in a long, long time, to be truly honest. It's been very, very good. So I'm just hoping, obviously, we can continue the momentum. I mean, we definitely can, right? But we'll see. 1% for the week, almost on the 50K. Nice. 8 wins, 1 beat this week. Such a great win. 8 wins, bro. 1 break even. Bro's got that 100% win rate. That's insane. Good shit. That is crazy work. Trendlines, is your friend looking for a wife? We will find one for him. Husband, maybe. 1.3% up, was in drawdown, but stuck to the plan and now in profit. Nice, Anil. Good shit, man. That's huge. Chat, that's what I'm saying, right? No matter what happens to you in the markets, as long as you stick to the plan and keep, keep trading how you know you should, everything works out eventually, right? Literally everything works out. Chat, we might have to bring the giveaways back, you know? We might have to bring them back. Not gonna lie, though, it's hard not to look at the number one in drawdown. Chat, one of the biggest, this is genuinely, I think this is one of the biggest trading hacks you can possibly do in the entire trading industry, right? One of the biggest things you can do to improve your trading is nothing to do with technicals, nothing to do with even psychology. It's purely just not looking at dollar value when you're in trades and when you're out of trades, right? For the time when I was becoming profitable, just getting past the break-even stage and then making money, I never looked at my account balance other than what was good risk, right? I'd look at like, okay, I need to risk this amount per trade, but I never looked at how much the balance was to be like, okay, I made this much, or I'm down this much, or whatever it may be, because then you start to get the wrong ideas in your head. And also, what ends up happening is if you're looking at it when you're in a trade, you start to make decisions based off of the dollar value and the P&L rather than price action. Every time you're in a position, you should be saying to yourself, I'm going to manage the trade based off of this level here, or based off of this level here, or based off of closure below. Not $1,000 or 2% or whatever it may be. It's irrelevant. The market doesn't care. So if you can do one thing, genuinely changing that and not looking at the drawdown is the best thing ever. I'll give you an example, chat. Last week when we had that trade, what was the trade we had last week where we took a W, but I think we were in drawdown for a long, long time. A lot of people would have been scared. A lot of people would have closed when they got back to break even because they saw how much money they were down. A lot of people would have maybe even been like nervous when they were in the drawdown stage. I didn't even look at my P&L once throughout that. I mean, I saw a brief bit on the screen, obviously, because I trade on TradingView, but I didn't look at it really. I wasn't focused on it, and because of that, I had no emotional impact on the trade. So I was able to manage appropriately. We ended up taking profit from it, and it worked out. So that just shows you how well this works. You mean the trade where you were so patient when I told chat? I think so. I think so, yeah. Just to confirm, if I buy the Apex 50K with your code, I still pay the 36 USD fee per month. And if I pass, then only one time, 150 USD activation fee. It's 140, but yeah. So you pay $36 a month, unless you pass it in under a month, then it's obviously only $36 once. And then you pay $140 That's $140 is when they've got no promo, right? Sometimes they have a promotion on to make that cheaper. Interesting, chat. Yeah, I can just hear washing machine noises from outside. Tom trying to figure this out. So Tom's had to call my girl to figure out how we can put the washing machine on. Insane. By the way, chat, I know how to put the washing machine on regularly, right? But our washing machine's in Greek, and I need Mark here. Where's Mark? I need someone Greek in chat to figure it out. How am I meant to, how am I meant to even if I did know how to do a wash? The fact it's in Greek is pretty cooked. Chat, 15-minute close bullish here after pushing down. Very interesting. Are we going to start to see a push up from here? You got comics open in 5 minutes. He can be stuck in the washing machine. Crazy. What's good, Jay? That is honestly out of order, but there you go. Chat, should we become bottom tickers? I might just become a mega bottom ticker. Hard R on that as well. Just try and catch the absolute bottom of every move towards the top. Not really. Nah, my ticker. Yeah, there you go. Nah, but realistically, bro, Tom showed me this guy yesterday on Instagram, and he's like trying to bottom tick and top tick. And like, basically he would enter a position with like a 5 pip stop loss, and then it would just get immediately ran through. So he'd drop it down, 5 pip stop loss. And then, bro, like 10 positions later, he gets the bottom tick and it runs for like a 1 to 10 RR. And like, obviously that's the one he'll post on socials. So whack, bro, honestly. Such a stupid way to market. Like, it's just ridiculous. Bro, your streams are so much fucking fun. Hey, I appreciate that, my bro. Appreciate that, Mr. Danny. SGM and DM, you wonder if it's who I'm thinking of? Could be a load of people, to be honest. I guarantee there's more than one person who does that in the industry. Chat, 15-minute flipperoons here as well. Very, very interesting. Are we going to start to make a push up from here? Maybe. Maybe. You got like, look, 1, 2, 3, 4 bottom wicks, chat. 4 bottom wicks on this candle, on these last 15-minute candles is crazy. Seems to me as if you just want to rip up here, but obviously it doesn't mean I can take anything. There's no setup, you're consolidating. Gets kind of tough. Chat, I just want to make a milli, right? I just want to make a milli. Maybe when I get to $1 million in funding, I should just full port, try and get 100% and then get the payout, right? Obviously, then you'd get banned from every prop, never get a payout, and then that'd be it. But still. I'm joking, by the way. I would never do that. Give away 500k? If I made a mil, chat, I'd give you guys like a couple of bucks. I'm not giving any to Mr. Mochi, though. That's the #1 criteria. Mr. Mochi gets none of it. Just had to go grab a monster. Your fault, SG. Bro, they're so good, though. They're actually unbeaten. The productivity hack is... Actually, there's a couple of things that are good. Monster and some other chemicals. But other than that, Monster's pretty good. Rejection, chat. Rejecky. Interesting. What are we gonna see here? I heard Tom's... Bro, Jay, you're actually cooked. You actually genuinely might be cooked here. Bro's taking the joke and like taking it to heart. Willy. Chat, comics open in a minute here. Are we going to see a little ripperoonies or are we going to see a little plummet? I don't know what we're going to see. All right, 20 seconds to the close. And then you got news 10 minutes afterwards, obviously, right? So straight, but just funny, ain't it? Trust I'm straight? Nah, I promise I'm straight. Like, no, actually I'm straight. Like, I promise I'm straight. No, I'm straight. I don't like boys. I promise. Classic move. If this 5 closes above this structure, you might actually see like a little push up towards the highs, but I don't know. Let's see what comics is going to do here, chat. Oh, volume. Oh my days, chat. Very interesting. 5 came down with the bottom wick and then flipped. Holy skibs. But this is just pure consolidation right now, chat. Like, it's very tough to trade this. I feel like we're... You have such an angelic voice, it's crazy. I feel like we're just waiting for news here, to be truly honest. That's what makes the most sense to me. Yeah, I've got a very strong feeling we're waiting for news. I mean, maybe you push up right now, but it would make the most sense if we're waiting for news. Well, okay, you pushed up, which is good. Very interesting. Are you going to fill the range, or is this going to go back into a period of consolidation right now? To be fair, what do we have here? The hourly's barely moved since it opened. 4 hours still basically a bottom wick. Sam, you only trading futures now or also FX? I'm trading mostly futures right now, bro. I can't lie. A bit of FX, but my focus for the week is for the month has definitely been futures. Can we get a SG live stream music playlist link? I can't lie, bro. Will from chat just gave me his beats, and then I just play them like this because I got copyright struck for playing like chat. I don't know if you OGs will know. I used to just play like regular music on stream. Then I got a fat copyright strike, and it kind of pissed me off. So now I just have to play copyright-free music, unfortunately. Red Drum Demon, here he is, Mr. Rays. What's good, my bro? Tom isn't good at maths, but he's great at multiplying in bed. That is actually ridiculous. All right, we broke structure on the 1 minute, chat. You have to take the little wins where you can get them, right? The 1 minute break of Strucky. You've obviously got news very shortly as well, chat. So the most likely thing is we just stay in the range here until news. I would like us to push up and close above, because then maybe we can get like a nice little news position on the flip and the on the liquidity grab and the flip. But I mean, we'll see, chat. We'll see. Yeah, man, this is interesting, chat. What am I reading? Yeah, I don't know, chat. Honestly, you guys have got a bit of degen at the minute. Chat, so basically, let's bring it back to trading real quick. What I want to see here is I want to see this make some more bullish structure. So a closure, not only just a closure above resistance, but it will also be a higher high being made, followed by maybe news comes down and makes a good little bottom wick, like a good little boy. And then we take either the flip and take the buys up from here like this, or we take the no, I don't think we'll take the wick, especially not off news. If it was non-news, then maybe, but I'm not taking a wick on news. What's a good contract size to use on a 50k evaluation? 1 mini or 10 micros is decent. For the strategy we trade, it's not bad. Because if you got 50 pip stops, that's a 1%. Anything bigger is just over, but you can risk a little bit more. All right, Nigel.
It's all sorted.
Yeah?
Yep.
Bro's successfully put a wash on.
Just got off the call with the boss.
The big boss. Bro, yeah. I've genuinely realized how cooked I would be without Mrs. Trendlines.
Yeah, you would be finished.
Yeah, it would be game over. Bro's just been... Well, we can't show him that because that's going to spoil the vlogs. Chat. Wait for the vlogs to come out. They're going to be sick. But also, chat, by the way, like I said, and check the pinned comment or pinned chat, I guess, whatever the fuck you want to call it. I released a new video yesterday. It's an absolute screamer. Do not forget to go and watch that after stream. And I'm releasing a trade recap of yesterday's trade after stream as well. So you have 2 extremely valuable videos to go and watch after stream's done. So basically you get like a little bit extra time with me. Aw. Forget Netflix and chill. Tom prefers bed sheets and thrill.
Oh my days.
That is actually diabolical. Bro, this guy's going crazy.
I've never heard that before.
I've never heard that. It's pretty creative, but you should have heard what Jay's been saying. Jay's just out of pocket.
He loves it.
I heard Tom's love is the best. I'm so straight, but just funny, ain't it? Trust me, I'm straight. Tom doesn't knock on doors. He makes headboards knock instead. So that one was not as good. First one was good. I'll give it to you. Chat. 70 people, 30 likes. I'm gonna punch you. It's that simple. I'm gonna start scrapping you. If you don't get this to at least 50 likes within the next 1 second, you're getting punched. Seriously, in the fucking head like this. Just a little one. Because you guys are so small as well. If I punch you in the head, I'll have to punch downwards. So I do to Tom, right? When he walks past me, I give him a little pat on the head like this. But he's like about waist height.
No, I little bro you.
Imagine being new to trading and joining the DGen time of SG streams. Like the stream. Yeah, Bedge is right, chat. Like the stream. The DGen sessions, bro, we're actually so locked in for 90% of the stream. But I feel like since Tom's here, it just gets so degenerate. What do you do to these guys?
It's just my gorgeous looks.
Chat, news in 3 minutes here. Let's actually lock it in right now because there's a lot of potential here. Mr. Potential. There is lots of potential. Can't lie. Chat, what if I was just to quickly make like a, I don't know, 100 mil? What would you guys do? I'd have to just hit that on you. Tom is just so clean. With Tom, the only thing that's short is the time it takes before you're begging for round 2.
Oh
That's crazy.
That's not on. That's got to be at least a 5-minute timeout.
Surely that's a yellow card, right? Surely, like that's minimum yellow card. That might be like a 3-match ban.
Yeah, I'm not happy with that.
Willie, you might be banned from the next 3 streams. I'm going Croatia tomorrow for 5 days. Can't wait. When?
Not the when did I ask. Don't fall for it, mate.
When did I ask? A minute and 40 seconds here, chat. It's mad how I actually make quite a lot of money, but this is what I do for a living, basically. Just like, how the fuck am I your guys' mentor? Like it's just outrageous. Anyway, chat. Let's lock it in. A minute and 30 seconds.
What is
Let's do the thing.
unemployment claim?
Chat, let's do the thing. You know the thing. Chat, press 1 for up, 2 for down. Which way do you think unemployment claims is going to push price? 1 for up, 2 for down. Let me know what you think.
It's definitely going up.
I think it's going to go up, but that is just a guess.
There's going to be more unemployment, definitely.
No, because more unemployed. Oh yeah, you're right.
Yeah, more unemployment makes gold go up.
Yeah. So yeah, if the number's bigger than, I believe that's right. If the number's greater than, less than forecast is good for currency. Yeah, so greater than forecast is bad for currency, good for gold. So
They're expecting it to go down though, 20,000.
what? No, every time they underestimate unemployment.
Yeah,
Every single time it's like, yeah, we're expecting 170k, and then it's like a million. It's fucked.
I'm saying 278k. Remember that number.
200 what?
278.
278k, Tom thinks. That's mad. Is that the number of unemployed people? No, it's the number of people who filed for unemployment for the first time during the past week. It's only people who filed for the first time.
Week. Surely that can't be right.
That's what it says.
Look at this, 278k. Watch this. I am the market. Mate.
Chat news came out. Pushing down here. Bottom wick first though. If you flip, you're probably gonna rip. That's the old flip and rip situation. The numbers haven't even come out yet, I don't think.
Oh, it's less.
It is less. So technically, chat, this should push gold down here.
That's interesting.
But, oh, the hourly's about to flip here, chat. I genuinely think still, for sells here, I can't be taking a sell unless we're like, oh, you've changed my boxes. Unless, mad, you've been into my box and changed stuff around. Genuinely, unless we're below 96 here, I cannot take sells. I need to see a closure below. Power said unemployment was bad. What's good, hours? Yeah, bro, I just don't get it because that statistic is crazy, by the way. That statistic is crazy. So I thought it was the total number of unemployed people in America, right?
That's what I would have thought.
That's what I thought it was.
We're thinking about it, that's kind of stupid because there's obviously millions of people unemployed.
Bro, the number of individuals who filed for unemployment for the first time during the last week. That is the number. So it's not even the number of people who filed for unemployment during the last week. The number of new people who are now newly unemployed. So every single week in America, there's 230,000 more people unemployed.
Yeah.
That is cooked. Is that not ridiculous?
That's insane.
How are 250,000 people every week becoming unemployed?
It's just not done anything really.
Check in Cyprus, bro. There's like 1 million people total in Cyprus. Yeah, the population of Cyprus is about 1.1 million. I'm calling on the 5 minute. It's creating a huge Bart Simpson because of the news. Oh, maybe. But there's kind of a reverse Bart Simpson. No, to be fair, unless it does this and comes back down, yeah. You could tighten it up a little bit like this. We love a good Bart Simpson pattern around here. All right, chat. This is good though. If you close above this level here, above 706, I've got hiccups. The buys are good here. Oh my days. What if we make 10 mil? How much do I need to pass this account? 260 bucks. 0.5%, man. Today's PA has not been it for me. Yeah, low key, but today's PA has been terrible. I feel like, what's good by the way, Max? Welcome back, my bro. I feel like normally the PA after FOMC is really good. So maybe it will be during NY, right? NY session hasn't really even opened yet, right? You've had Comics open, yes, but NYSE is in an hour. So we've got a lot of opportunity here, a lot of time, man. Unemployment claims Cyprus. I bet it's like fucking 10. Number of unemployment. They might not even release it. It's 5% in Cyprus. So that means I think there's 50,000 people unemployed. 5% is relatively high though. Yeah, so it's basically like, what, 50,000 people unemployed in Cyprus? What's it like in the UK? Yeah, that's true actually. UK unemployment rate. Actually, wait, can you not? Is there not unemployment claims for the UK on Forex Factory? There will be, right? GBP unemployment claims.
Mate, it's 1.3 mil in Cyprus.
Yeah.
That's insane. I thought we were
When's GBP unemployment claims come out?
in the UK 70
Is the UK at 70 mil now?
people, yeah.
That's a lot. UK unemployment rate is also 5%.
How much seems to be in Cyprus is like tiny.
Cyprus is tiny. What do you mean?
I mean, yeah, but the UK's not that big either. It's still got 70 million.
Bro, Cyprus in terms of like size, especially because we live in southern Cyprus, right? It's like half the country.
Where would it fit in the UK? Would it just be like the size of London?
Bro, from one end of Cyprus to the other is like 2 hours max. So it's like from me driving to Sheffield.
That's insane.
It's ridiculous, bro. Cyprus is tiny. There's 1.3 million people here. But the UK unemployment rate is pretty high. So it's like 5%, there's 70 million. What's that, 3.5 million people unemployed in the UK? How do 3.5 million people not have a job?
That's me, mate. I'm part of that statistic.
Technically, I'm part of it, right?
Yeah, we are the unemployed.
We are unemployed.
This chat right now is unemployed.
Yeah, you guys in chat are definitely unemployed. I'm not being funny.
Every trader contributes to that unemployed statistic.
The jobless society right here.
Professionally unemployed.
I get paid to be unemployed though. Larnaca to the very top is like 2.5 hours. Yeah, you're right. I'm self-employed, bro. But that's also, by the way, hours. Larnaca to the very top. It's also because there's barely any good roads in Cyprus that like go from top to bottom, right? I fund my live accounts with the dole. That's actually not a bad shout, bro. You should file for unemployment. When I was at uni, a girl just started claiming benefits alongside her student loan. It's actually the meta.
Oh my god, we are not doing a good job.
Change your name to JBLS, jobless. That's hard. We actually should do that. Full port on the dole money. Nah, surely, chat. If you're unemployed and you trade, like, and you make money from if Tom twerks, I'll donate 50 quid.
Nah.
How much is your dignity worth?
Right now, I would do it. Oh, I don't know, because the problem with live streaming is it's not just like it happens and then it's done. It's on the internet forever, because these get uploaded. I'll do it for a rack.
$1,000, chat, and Tom will twerk on stream.
I have to receive payment before.
Can we make that happen?
Rack work.
Chat, can we make that happen if you all band together? 50 quid gets you a 50k Apex and probably a Snickers.
Get a fair few actually for that.
It's not that deep. Should twerk for free. Yeah, fair. I mean, look, it's not me doing it, so you can take it with him.
Start a GoFundMe, that's a good idea.
Let's start a GoFundMe. That is a good idea. Chat, this price action is actually going to send me to sleep in a second. By the way, chat, I have a big announcement to make. Genuinely, I have a big announcement to make. So, this week, I'm not making it right now, but today on Instagram, I'm going to be dropping some knowledge. Now, I'm going to be dropping a big announcement. So make sure you follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. In fact, I can just tell you guys. Chat, I'm going to be doing another webinar. October 1st. Wednesday, October the 1st, I'm going to be running another webinar. Now, last time I did a webinar, that shit cooked, bro. That shit absolutely cooked. Like, we had 2 people from the webinar alone passing funded accounts. The feedback on it was fucking mad. If anyone's in the chat now who was in the webinar, let them know how good it was, because it was fucking sick. So if you guys want some info on how to join, DM me on Instagram. Because honestly, last time it genuinely changed lives. Like, it was actually fucking incredible. So I'm going to be running another one. This one's going to be even more valuable as well. In the webinar, I'm going to be giving away $1,500,000 in funding. I'm going to be releasing the shotgun method of how I got to like nearly $1 million in funding. I think by the webinar, it will be $1 million in funding. The full strategy, how I pass props quick, risk management, psychology, Q&A, everything, right? It's going to be sick. And it's going to be $50 fucking dollars. That's it. Like, that is ridiculously reasonable, huh?
Think of it this way. You could either join the webinar or spend $50 on a funded account below it.
In case you didn't hear that, he said, you probably heard it, but that is completely right. You can either spend $50 on the webinar and pass a funded account after the webinar, or you can spend $50 on a funded account before the webinar and fail it and lose it and have nothing from it. So you either get the webinar, have the value which you're going to have forever, or just blow it funded like a retard.
It's the same amount of money at the end of the day, but a different outcome.
That is true. Yeah, man. But there you go, chat. Danny said A. Let's get it. Let's get it, man. DM you on Insta, you say? Yes, sir. How's the GFT comp going? Shit, I forgot about the GFT comp. Yeah, Ewan, shoot me a DM. In fact, is there a link for the masterclass? Oh, it's a masterclass, right? I'd rather spend... What's the command? I don't know why I called it a webinar. I mean, it's technically a webinar, but we'll call it a masterclass. All right, cool. Jay needs to be muted. Yeah, honestly. Is there an Instagram DM command to get the link? No, just shoot me a DM and I'll get all the information. I'll send it over to you. Cool, chat. Right, 17 minutes here, 15 minutes closing in 2 minutes. This 15, does this 30 want to flip? Chat, if this 30 flips and we close above the level, right? We should be good to go. Basically, that would be it. The exact same trade we took yesterday on the 30. It's exactly the same. And then you just have, instead of having a 30-minute closure, you're going to have a 1-hour closure. And you've already grabbed liquidity. News has already happened. Everything will be aligned. Whip the trusty magnet out. Not the magnet, man. Have you seen the magnet before?
Oh, yeah. The hammer.
Nah, wait.
I like the spaceships.
The spaceship's good. I like the wizard, to be honest. The wizard does a good job. You just cast some spells on it and pushes it up.
You need the tornado indicators, though.
What is that?
I don't know. It's like the microwave lines. Radio waves.
What time will it be? I have work Wednesdays. It will probably be 8 o'clock GMT, I believe. Or UK time. Are you in? No. Chat, you know you can also get the umbrella out to stop it raining down on you. Yeah, this is knowledge right now. Now, this is what I'm looking for. Like, I'm looking for a closure above this level, then we'll take the buys. What else can we get here, chat? What's a good, how else can we make price push up? Oh, we can get a scary dinosaur below so the price doesn't want to go down there.
Where is this on trading view?
Yeah, click the emoji thing on the left.
That's ridiculous.
Dagger? Wait. Cannon? Cannon's a good one. I was about to do something crazy then. Yeah, alright, we'll leave it. Fire, hot air goes up. That's true. That's true, that's true. I think the scary dinosaur's enough though. The price action is going to be well scared to go down there now with the T-Rex down there. I wouldn't want to go down there.
The wizard's keeping them safe.
The wizard. Bro, no, the wizard controls the dinosaur. Chat, we are actually cooked. Yeah, that's what I was going to send backloading, but I don't want to get cancelled, so I'm going to delete that. Remember meme coin season with the magnet clickbait? Yeah, that's a dub. Oh my days, not the magnet clickbait. Right. Let's delete this shit. Chat, we did start to push up. It started working, I can't lie. Oh, has anyone seen that guy that goes around to like African aunties and uncles and starts pretending to cast spells on them? Bro, that is genuinely some of the funniest videos I've ever seen on Instagram, ever. He just goes, auntie, it's working, and then starts like going, yes, and throwing this powder at them. And they all run away. Because they believe in like witchcraft and shit. I think it's so fucking funny. I mean, it's horrible, right? Because now anything bad that happens to them for the rest of their lives, they're going to be thinking, fuck, it's that guy who cursed me. But still.
They really believe in that stuff.
Yeah, they do. He goes, I've been sent from Africa to destroy you. All right, 15-minute close here, chat. Kind of weak bearish. 5 close bullish above as well. This is just, honestly, the PA of doom right now. The absolute magnetron. Like, how am I meant to trade this? Unless we get a breakout, chat, you might be cooked. But if we can get that closure above, it's going to be very nice. All right, fire. Cool, chat. Use the mini SG animated figure. Yeah, where is that? Do I still have that shit? I don't think I have him. Uh-oh. Bro, I used to have this on my stream overlay.
Oh yeah, I've seen it. You're very, very like early stream days.
Chat, you just put him down here below price. It just pumps it up. Every time we're in drawdown, we just get this guy out.
You know when you had these, were you still called trend lines, or were you the, what was it?
Nah, it's still trend lines. I've always been trend lines. I mean, for a day, maybe I wasn't. I think, chat, when I first created my social media accounts, I genuinely think I was gonna call it like pips and push-ups or some shit like that.
Yeah, because there was fitness as well. We wanted to post like a little bit.
Because I used to do fitness programs as well. Fitness dick in your mouth. Yeah, I don't know. Yo, Blizzy, are you good, bro? Are you having a stroke or something? What's going on? You say 8 a.m. or 8 p.m.? 8 p.m. I think. We haven't decided yet, to be fair, but it's going to be somewhere around them. Anyone who joins as well will have access to the recording, right? But obviously, the whole point is you want to be there when it's live. $10 million. What's good, Tony? How's it going, my bro? Yeah, chat. I hate streams when we consolidate because it just turns into degeneracy. I actually like the locked in. I like both streams, to be fair. Cool. Get paid tonight. We'll lock it in then. All good, bro. All good. Yeah, chat. I think we have like how many slots left do we have? I think we're gonna make it this time, instead of 10 slots, we're gonna make it 20 slots. But we've already filled 7 of them, so it's gonna run out pretty fucking quick. Wait, can one of the mods make a command? Actually. Alright, cool. Holy. Alright, chat. 5-minute closing here, still within the range. This is gay, bro. This is actually shit price action. What should we do? Should we just like...
Load up a game of water.
He's back. Bro, I banned him at the start of stream. How's he made his way back? I literally banned this guy at the start of stream.
Check Eugene's logs. He's definitely let him out of prison.
Oh shit, yeah, Eugene's a mod, so he can let himself out. Oh, that is... Bro's got the cheat code. Why? SG, show us a party trick.
Can you do any cool tricks? I ain't got one.
I was gonna do something crazy then, but...
Can do the windmill. That's not...
The windmill?
That's not safe.
You haven't got the facilities for that. Yo, what's good, Kay? How's it going, man? What's good? Let's see if Eugene does it. Yeah, Ray's smart. I like it. Chat, stuck in the range. So genuinely, chat, even after stream's done, right? I'm going to stay on for probably the next, like, minimum 10 minutes. Fart on the mic, bro. What the fuck? I tried to read it, like, ignore it, but I genuinely could not.
I mean, New York opens 9 minutes. Look at their volume.
Bro, what happened to this stream, bro? You got to get working on some of these clips, bro. There's been a billion clippable moments. Degen time? Hopefully not. What's good, Asset Marksman? I told you, look. Oh shit, he's back. What was I saying? Oh yeah, even after stream, I'll be on for the next 10 minutes, maybe 30 minutes if we wait till NYSC, right? But all you have to do is wait for a breakout of one of these ranges here and then take the position following it down. That's it. What are the 3 most important things to focus on to become profitable? Well, obviously, first of all, you need to have a good strategy, right? A lot of people say like it's mostly psychology, which is true, but you do still have to have a good strategy. Number 2, I would say, is have an income outside of trading is very important. Number 3 is focus on the process rather than the outcome, right? So focus on like turning up to the charts every day, trading, according to your strategy, your plan, not over risking, not over trading, not revenge trading, all of these sort of things, and focus on that. And if you get to the end of the day and you've done all those things, that should categorize as a win in your books, rather than saying, did I make money today or did I lose money today, and that's a win or not. You know what I mean? And that's it. Word.
Yeah, I'd agree.
Yeah. By the way, chat, Tom's very close to 250 squiddly winks in funding. Yeah. 250 Ks. Income in trading, so you mean like a job?
A JOB.
Not a JOB, chat. Banned. You're banned.
You should have that slur banned in the chat.
Yeah, that actually is a slur. Bro's dropped a hard J. No, yeah, a job realistically is what you need to get, unfortunately. Or do what Tom did when he was first starting out and stand on the street corner giving out slobs. You ever seen a moose? What a question. No, I haven't seen a moose, but apparently they're quite big.
I've seen a few moose.
I've seen a moose in Marsh. I don't think that counts.
On the first 10k month, we're running up Marsh.
I said that to them earlier.
That's where we should
We made a deal. First 10k month Tom does, we're going to Mosh in Leicester.
We'll live stream the whole thing.
Oh my days. You would get, it would just be 17-year-olds.
We'll be the oldest people in there by about
You'd love it because of that.
7 years.
Mr. Mochi said Mosh. You kind of worry me, Mr. Mochi, sometimes. 17-year-olds.
We could do a link up with Mr. Mochi.
Yeah, we could do the Mr. Mochi collab. Bro, this guy's gonna get to like, somehow he's gonna get to like a mil subs on YouTube. Just cause, bro, Mr. Mochi, I've actually put you on. Why am I talking to him like Mr. Mochi? It's Eugene. Eugene, I actually put you on. Like, can you tell me when you go so I can meet you there? I'll be Tom's little naughty 17-year-old.
This guy's lost the plot.
What's good, Tracy? How's it going? Jay's gonna turn up in a schoolgirl outfit.
Eugene, do a Keeping It Lemon segment with Mr. Mochi. I want to see one of them.
Yeah, you should do a Keeping It Lemon Mr. Mochi video, Eugene.
I want a final boss, Mr. Mochi.
Mr. Mochi final boss, that's hard.
Just do him at Creamfields. This guy's living in the past.
Yeah, I just fucking answered that. Chat, we're sat in drawdown right now on this imaginary position. Let's just keep moving stops down. Holy rain. This is actually the rod, chat. We're in the rod right now. You've been to Oz and from there? No, but we have hella Australians in the chat and in the Discord. Chat, if you're not already in the free Discord, make sure you blood clot join it, right? It's very important. It's the most important fucking thing you can do today. It's a very valuable community. I'm going to be adding an update to the Discord very shortly as well. We're going to give out specific roles for the amount of funding people have, which is going to be, I think, very cool. But yeah, man, look. I haven't been to Oz. I need to go to Oz. I was going to go to Oz a couple of years ago and then it fell through. I need to go see all the boys out there. I'd like to go to the 1-4. Is that what it's called? Now 1-4's that the group, the rap group now. Do you know that? Australian drill. 1-4, I'm still lurking, I'm still active. That one. Holy chat, this is actually the range of doom right now. This is actually the range of doom.
New York opens in 3 minutes.
I guess we're gonna have to wait till NYSC, right? Like,
3 minutos.
what happened to the whiteboard?
I'll turn it around.
Oh, smart.
I'll leak all the plans.
I'm so tired.
Mr. Mochi.
All right, cool. What should we start doing on streams? I feel like we should just like start live streaming IRL and just go drifting or some shit. I can't really drift my car though, it's 4-wheel drive. We've got to buy an M4.
Comp.
Tom wants to buy an M4 comp.
I really do. It's my dream car.
It must be that mint making bulk money from trading. Do you have real estate or shit you put your money towards? Yeah, I do, bro. I do. I don't really talk about that side of stuff as much, but yes, I do have investments. To be honest, though, until recently, I was quite heavily invested, especially in crypto. Now I'm very, very liquid. I have a project I'm working on that I don't share until it's done because, I don't know, my girl's Russian. She believes in the evil eye, and she's made me believe in it. So I do have shit that I'm working on in terms of long-term investing. Which is the reason why I haven't bought like a crazy car, right? Like someone was saying on stream yesterday, like why haven't you bought, I don't on a G-Wagon or some shit like that, which I would love to do, but I want to become like bulletproof first with assets. That's my plan. I think also me and Tom are going to get into, Tom's very good at like equity investing, right? He's got a fucking pretty decent portfolio in terms of returns, right? So I think genuinely the next step after like the mentorship and everything, after I make all these people in the mentorship profitable, I'm gonna transition as well into, not transition, but also like dive into long-term investing to actually further scale trading profits, right? Because you want to have like, you know, you want to reinvest your trading profits, but you also don't want to reinvest like everything into trading itself, because what if, you know, you go through a bad spell of blowing accounts and all that sort of shit, or what if, I don't know, something happens with a broker and you don't get to keep your money. And you also just need to diversify between short-term and long-term investments, right? So stuff like equities, indexes,
You want your money to work for you.
real estate. You want to make money whilst you're sleeping.
Unironically, though, like
That is true.
You want it to literally work for you.
Oh shit, we ripped down. Chat, the hourly actually closed. What the fuck just happened? I looked away for 1 second.
It's been open for 20 seconds.
Right, well, and New York just opened, right? In my opinion, you close respecting this level here, right? You close respecting this previous low. This could be liquidity. Hey, brother, do you ever look at the COT reports? I'm going to be honest with you, bro. I don't know what that is, to be honest. Which is probably not a good thing, but commitments of traders. No, I don't. Tell me what it is. I'm interested. Chat, yesterday, I didn't even know what a fucking point was. Like, me and Tom were trying to figure out points and ticks on NQ, and I didn't know what it was. But I'm 800k funded on futures, and I don't know what a point or a tick is. I still use pips because of my Forex trading background. That just shows you how little you actually need to know to become profitable. Everyone tries to overcomplicate shit. I couldn't even tell you what a fucking point on NQ is, or a pip on, or a tick on NQ. But I've got 800k in funding on futures, so laugh at me all you want. I'm making money from trading futures without knowing those sort of things. So you don't need to know every single complex strategy in the book. Just learn an entry model, look at the candlesticks, see what works, and then you'll be fine. I look away for 1 second and it hit my TP always. Oh, you wish that, yeah. How do we get access to the webinar once we bought it? Basically, you'll join the WAP community, which you did join, by the way. I just got a notification. So good shit, man. I guarantee that's going to be one of the best decisions you make this month. Oh, the 1 hour closed. Oh no, that's the S&P 500. And then I'll drop a link to the webinar and everything once it gets closer to the time.
It's still a few weeks away, isn't it?
It's 2 weeks away, yeah. Bro just called ticks and points of strategy? No, I didn't, bro. I'm saying I don't even know what they are. So, like, you don't need to know everything. You know what I mean? Right now, price is sitting on the daily open and my weekly buy line. I expect these levels to hold. We shall see. We shall see. The daily did just flip, though, no? Yeah, it did. Whoa. Yeah, this is actually what the daily looks like. I don't know why the FOMC candle turned into a gap on the daily, because it's not a gap on anything else. Very, very weird. But yeah, we are like doji on the daily right now. I do think if this hourly flips, you probably continue back up for a little bit. I don't know, man. Alright, cool. Cheers. Yeah, no worries, my bro. COT report is a weekly CFTC release showing positions held by big players like banks in futures markets. Holy shit. Well, maybe that's good. For me, though, my immediate thought is if it shows you the positions they're already holding, they're probably in from lower levels, right? And then you're probably a little bit late. But I could be wrong. What, the Helionte?
This is cooked.
It's not very nice. I think if the 30 closes bullish though, back in the range, you can take a look at a little squeezy at some buys. Little lemon squeezy.
Is this normal after FOMC? Like just the days after are just a niche volume?
Not really. It shouldn't be like this, to be honest. Normally after FOMC, the price is like very decent because obviously all the news has come out. 5 looks like it wants to close bullish here, chat. Might be a no trade day again, chat. I mean, not again. We had a trade yesterday, right? But it might be a no trade day today. Which is going to be pretty whack, to be honest. I was excited for today. I was excited to hit the milli funding on stream. No, I'm joking, chat. You can't force that shit, right? That would be a sky dweller. If the 5 closed bullish, yes, it would have been a sky dweller. But unfortunately, it did not close bullish. What the skibbity. We are ripping down right now. It made a little rejection and then flipped. And then was like, yeah, nah, about that. With the Fed cut yesterday, it's valuable to see what the sides the institutions got in. I figure after the week, I will see some sort of direction after review. All right, that's pretty cool, bro. That actually sounds very interesting.
Yesterday was my first ever FOMC.
Really?
Well, I was still in like the learning phase. Because you said what?
It's quarterly.
Oh, well then yeah, it is. It's my first ever one.
Tom's first ever FOMC yesterday.
I thought that was a pretty good one though.
It was a big Wixor.
Like a lot happened.
Yeah, Wixor like crazy actually. Yeah, chat. Rebroke the low here. No top wick on this current candle on the 5 or the hourly. Holy shit, I just threw my phone. It might be a bit cooked here, chat. Oh, thank you, mate. Thank you, mate. I take my profit. Nice. Do you trade rejections or just breakouts? Rejections too, but you need confirmation as well. Congrats to not blowing an account on his first FOMC. Big W, Tom.
Thank you, mate.
That's very nice.
Thank you.
He actually made like 3K.
You know what? That's the first respectable comment all day. Not just asking me to do zesty shit on stream.
It's nice, isn't it? Every now and then you get someone who's actually like a respectable fellow in chat.
Yeah, let's get some.
Big up W7.
W's for whatever his name is, W7.
Unlike the rest of you fucking... I'm joking. Oh, F off. Mr. Mochi, you're treading on thin ice right now. Tom, shake it. Straight back into it. Caught a buy earlier in London, closed 1%, but gave back 0.5% to the market because I FOMO'd that sell at the previous high. Oh, yeah, that's tough, bro. But at least you know what you did wrong, right? And you can fix it yourself. No way that command's back, bro. How have you done that? How does he keep sneaking that command back in?
He's not even subtle about it. There was a period in time where I questioned, is Mr. Mochi actually Eugene? But
No.
now it's absolutely, it's undoubtable.
No, because he got exposed. Wasn't me, this Tom. Cough Tom. What?
This guy's...
Muted Mochi for 24 hours? Yeah, I think that's a vibe, I can't lie. Oh my days, I need to just put water all over my PC, chat. Oh my god, chat. Where's Eugene? Oh, he's probably about to show up now because Mr. Mochi got muted, right? Oh, wait, what? Now he's gone. Why'd you get out of crypto? It's about to go bananas. Chat, I'll let you into one thing. When everyone thinks a certain asset's about to go bananas, it normally isn't, right? It normally isn't. Now everybody's talking about crypto. Everyone's like, Bitcoin to the moon. My fucking parents got into crypto. Like, fucking taxi drivers talking to you about crypto. That's the #1 generational sign to fucking sell crypto. I sold all of my Ethereum at 4,900. 4,950 actually. So basically the top, right? I had a lot of Ethereum too. I sold all my Solana at, oh, that's the wrong chart. I sold all my Solana the other day, or no, not the other day, a while ago at, like, where even was it? Wait, what? No way Solana's at that price right now. Oh, it's back up at 246, crazy. So it is making a decent run, to be fair. But I sold all my Solana at 270, like, how long ago? Like 7 months ago. It went down 66% from there. Yo, I should have ripped back into it.
Jump back in. That would have been good. You'd have ping-ponged it.
Yeah, that would have been sick. Let's FOMO in now, shall we? Joking. But yeah, chat, like, my crypto exits are actually goated.
No.
Free Mr. Mochi did nothing wrong. How's he freed again? How's he out again? I banned him for 24 hours. Eugene just keeps...
He's got too much power, Eugene.
Yeah, we might have to unmod Eugene, I can't lie. What a fall from grace that would be.
Let's get him to get JRB.
Just exit randomly or based off stuff? Based off a lot of stuff. Market sentiment.
A lot of it's intuition based now.
Not Eugene with the grey name.
Oh, that's sad. His heart has just jumped there.
Should we make Danny mod instead? No, I feel bad, bro. Eugene's an OG. I have to give it to him. Seems like you've got a mole inside blue team. Yeah, I actually do. Give it back. Now that he's asked for it. It's like Nando's black card. Once you ask for it, you can never get it.
No, free up Eugene.
Alright, I'll give it back to him. I feel mean. Yo, Eugene called me up the other day and said the N-word though. That's why I took it away.
Hard R.
Hard R as well. Uh-oh.
Oh no. He's gone power hungry.
Facts. I was there. Crazy. Alright, should we watch some Mr. Mochi whilst we wait? Can't lie, it's kind of entertaining to see what this fucking retard's been posting. I didn't post anything, you're slacking. You're not getting any promo for that. Nah, I'll go mental if Eugene gets unmodded. I'll go fucking mental, you know? Eugene's got riders. Like, seriously mental. Oh, scary. Shiver me timbers. Yeah, chat. Make Danny a mod. I heard he's a good guy. Also an OG. Tom will be first. Tom's never getting mod, bro.
I don't want mod.
Yeah, exactly.
I've ascended past the level of mod.
Tom's actually like a Discord mod for like 15 other servers. That's what he did before trading. He sat in his room with his kittens. The Discord kittens.
Oh no, princess.
I feel like that alone is a bannable offense.
Not now, kid of whiskers. That will sort it later.
Not sure. I'm not sure, chat. I want to see if this 30-minute can flip here, because if the 30 flips, buys don't look too scary. Oh, 15 closing right now, though. You got 40 seconds till it does. Are we going to see a continuation down to fill the range? It's pretty bearish, though. I can't lie. Can I have some credits? No. I'm debating whether we should call it here and play some GeoGuessr or not. Reversal looking crispy. Yeah. Should we go gym today or not?
I would. I feel like I'll feel unproductive if you don't.
I might just run some cardio.
Yeah.
I'm pretty tired.
If you do cardio, I'll probably still gonna run shoulders. Shoulders is such an easy day.
Longs on the FVG there, as it's in equilibrium too.
How fair is the gap? Like, has he been reasonable?
Genuinely, I think it's been quite an unfair value gap.
Yeah.
Like, there was no need for it to do what it's done. Bro, ban this guy. Actually, if you think about it, there's not even an FVG here. I mean, there's one like here, but haven't we just respected it below?
I have no idea.
Bro may as well be speaking fucking Chinese at this point.
I don't really understand.
Equilibrium. All I know from about equilibrium is when I did A-level chemistry and they were talking about
I think, what is
equilibrium within a chemical reaction. I sound like a fucking nerd.
Is equilibrium and trading not the CE of PD, right? I don't know, that could be wrong.
Fuck off. Tom's just said the word PD array on stream. Get him out. PD array. That is not a TRLS concept. That's an L. That is an L. L-Mans. In real life ban. Yeah, he's banned from the house. Get out.
This is where I left my Rolex. Or I've been looking for this all day.
That's my watch.
I've literally been trying to find this for ages.
Give it back. Right, if you break that, you're going to have to pay for it. You know how much it costs?
Yeah, I bought this. This is mine.
It's not his, chat.
I might go take the group Eurus for a spin.
Not the group Eurus, chat. Yo, that's actually the meta. Me and Tom are going to go halves on a Eurus 1 day rent and then...
That's the meta. Like,
actually, it's the core seller meta.
you get 4 of your boys, you move to LA, you rent a 1-bedroom flat, you rent a Eurus, and you rent a Rolly, and you all get 1 week each with it. And then you have to go and make connections.
Mute him, bro. Just tape his mouth. Honestly, I think that might be the move. That might be the move. Don't like Tom anymore? Crazy.
No. No.
I seen the video.
I've got haters now.
Yeah.
I don't mind, we're back.
People actually do that with the Eurus? Yeah, I know. It's actually crazy. And G-Wagons? I know, bro. Why would you do that?
It's the meta.
Surely everyone would clock. Hang on a second. This guy's got the same... If you started driving around in a black Range Rover and Limassol, surely everyone would be like, hang on, hasn't SG got that car?
Imagine if there's an overlap on, like, let's say you and your boy both line up a nice date.
Yeah, what if you've got a date and your boy gets a date?
It's your week with the Eurus.
Sorry, bro. I've got the Eurus today. I booked it. How much would a Eurus be if you split it between 4, like monthly? Monthly payment on a Eurus has got to be like 3K.
Oh, that much? Fucking hell.
Split.
I thought it would have been like maybe a little bit less.
I don't think so.
Like 2K for like 68 months.
All right, chat. Look, I'm gonna wait till the 30-minute closure here, like less than 1K each. Yeah, should we just do it? Chat, you know you cannot finance a car in Cyprus. There's no such thing as car financing out here. Which means all of the Mansory Euruses, Brabus, G-Wagons that I've seen were all bought cash.
Yeah, they bought outright.
How fucking mental is that? There's not like these Miami guys that are like financing the fuck out of cars, like Brez, TJ, all of them lot. All of these guys are buying these cars cash. Like, I tried to finance a car when I came out here and I just couldn't, so I bought my Range Rover in cash. But bro, a Range Rover in cash is like one thing, and then a Brabus G-Wagon for like 700k cash. My N-word, that is insane, bro. Brabus G-Wagon for sale, Cyprus. Yeah, that is a different level of money. Like, genuinely a seriously different level of money. How much is do they have a Brabus? A Brabus? Oh my days, bro. This is so cold. It's only got 1,000 kilometers on it.
Brand new though.
Oh my days, look at that. I would actually give a serious amount of slops for this car.
Ooh, the red interior too.
The new wheel as well. When your channel is like 200k subs, one sponsor will be 200k. Wait, you think? Surely that means I can get 10k for a vid right now, Blizzy. Or is that not how it works?
200k a video, surely not.
I know finance sponsors are crazy, but 200k a video. Bro, chat, get me to 200k right now so I can get a G-Wags. Yo, Blizzy, do you have the connects for me for sponsors? Please.
What did Blizzy post? Was it CS content?
Blizzy, you did CS, right? Did you not have fat CS gambling sponsors back in the day?
Yeah.
Because yeah, I had huge offers with casinos.
Yeah.
Why, did you take them? Please tell me you did, bro. Because at that point, like...
Wait, go click on videos and then go on popular. Just curious.
I could have taken, fuck.
Millie.
Is this Anomaly? And this is you, Blizzy? Or is that the other way around?
No, I think Anomaly's the one in the white mask. I don't know loads about CS, but I'm pretty sure he is the biggest content creator, no?
500 cases, but I can feel this is maybe the time I get something a bit too serious.
Bro just zoomed into his own nipple.
Okay, are you ready?
Bro had pink hair back in the day. And my friend Anomaly in the mask.
Anomaly's in the mask, but he's enormous, isn't he?
Yeah, how many subs has this guy got? I'm not really into the...
Oh, I would be surprised if it wasn't a mil. It's 3.4 mil.
Anomaly was my childhood. Yeah, shit, Raze, you're Swedish, right? Is Anomaly also Swedish? Oh yeah, you must be.
See, I didn't know they still upload it. It's like that Oni Pixel guy. He's kind of like the face of CS now, no?
Bro, Anomaly's still banging. Is he exposed his face now? Or is that not him? I thought he was wearing a mask the whole time.
Wait, that's insane though. 400k in a day.
No, that's not him.
Oh, is it not?
Bro, no, that is him. I mean, that on the face. Bro, he's still banging 400k views. Is my friend furious? Bro, get this guy to give me a shout out. I know it's a completely different industry, but I don't give a fuck. Just a little Anomaly shout out. Blizzy, post a video just saying like, I'm joking. That's crazy though. Good shit. Fair play, Blizzy. Fair play. That's actually, now that I've started making content and like, now that I'm in the space, I actually understand how fucking hard it is to get to like that level. Bro, like, wait, Blizzy, you've got like over 100k still, right? Yeah. That's a lot of subs, you know.
That's a ridiculous amount of subs.
Imagine 100,000 people sat in a stadium watching you. That's like bigger than Wembley. Yeah, 156k subs. That's a fucking shitload.
Does he still post?
Nah. Last video was like a year ago. Blizzy goes to Russia, very sanctioned. I got 20. Yeah, Mr. Mochi, you do have 20. I'll give you that. Oh my days, chat. We're pushing back down again. What the fuck? This might be cooked, chat. Ah. Post FMC retracement? Yeah, I hear it. I went to Russia last time and my fans probably think I died. Yeah, crazy actually. That's so true. I want to go though at some point. Seriously, you will see insane money from YouTube if you continue to grow? Brian, I know YouTube sponsors are like, well, not YouTube sponsors, but like, bro, trading sponsors specifically are fucking crazy. There's so much money in this space. Like the guys like TJR and shit must be making just like at least 5 M's a month just from sponsors. Genuinely like stupid money. TJR makes 10 to 20k from YouTube alone. From views alone, yeah, but from sponsors, bro. He's doing $1 million a month from sponsors easily. Bro, you know like, chat, you know Hero FX? The broker he promotes. There's a reason I left them, right? And TJR posted yesterday that he made 400k trading FOMC. I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. It's not real money. No matter what they say, it's not real money. That shit is not real money. It will be set up to look like real money, but it's not. Absolutely categorically not. My friend has got a legit fucked up offers for things I can't say obviously. Blizzy, I know what you're talking about. I've had similar offers, bro. Chat, I've showed you guys this before, right? Oh yeah, I can't imagine on CS, but yeah. But I've shown you the offer that I got before from a couple of brokers telling me I could trade with a fake balance. They would even process withdrawal stuff. They'll just delete the trades that lose. Like, they can add trades after the fact. They can do everything, bro. That's why you can't believe stuff unless it's live execution. That's why I trade live on stream, to make you guys understand that I actually do this shit. You know what I mean? Like, anyone showing you, even when TJR shows a live trade recap that he recorded live, notice how he never puts the fucking execution on screen. He only shows it like after the fact on his phone. Why is that? Why is it the fact that it's never taken on live as well? And he's always showing you after he's already in the position. Why is that, huh? It's almost as if he's not actually executing those trades. He did show the execution though. Go back and watch the video. You did it. He didn't. And also, even if he did, it's very simple. You just execute both ways on a different device and record. And then they delete, and then you just show the one that played out. It's very simple. He already had like 2 times 10 lots? Yeah, but it's a demo account, bro. They got crazy money for lawyers and nobody's going against them people? Yeah. Is it time for Geo? Let's wait for the 30 close. Trust me, chat, I've been offered the same shit. Hey, what's good, Not Trend Lines? How you doing, my bro? Ray, should we make a broker? Ray's and Mr. Mochi teaming up. Oh my days. That's why I didn't take some of the offers I got back in the days. They're fucked, bro. Honestly, the behind the scenes of this is crazy. I believe you. It's such a shame that nobody is transparent anymore. I know, it's insane, honestly. Bro, is Eugene not trend lines as well? Bro just said beans. Bro, how many accounts do you have, Eugene? Or is it someone else? Bro, I think he might have just exposed himself yet again. All right, chat. 30-minute closing here in about 50 seconds. Closing below everything else. I don't even know what to say here, chat. I think it might be GeoGuessr time. There's nothing I can trade here. It's really unfortunate, but it is what it is. Chat, I'm probably going to go hit a nice little shoulder session, some cardio, and then get back locked in with some work. Yeah. That's the move. Bro, I need to fix my sleep schedule. If anything turns ugly, he has it in his contracts to get out immediately. Oh, wait, one of the reasons why Anomaly has respect is his very clean track record of sponsors and all that. If anything turns ugly, he has it in his contract. Okay, that's pretty sick. Good fucking mentality from all those who didn't FOMO in. Yeah, that's very true. That is very true, Danny. Chat. Let's call it a day. Let's play the GeoGuessr. Holy skibs, man. It's going to have to be a day. We caught a banger trade yesterday, chat, so I'm not trying to force anything today. Yeah, man. Join up on the Geo. If you haven't already as well, join the Discord. It's completely free. Best community in the game. What broker do you use for your live accounts? I'm between Raise FX and IC Markets, but to be honest, I haven't been trading my live account for a while. I'm focusing on these funders right now because I want to extract as much money from these futures props. I think they're the meta. Honestly, right now, the meta in trading genuinely is futures props. Chat, I'll give you guys a few seconds to join up. Here we go. Chat. I'm starting the game. You have 5 seconds to join. And I'm starting the game. I don't care how many people are in here. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Mr. Biggest Dicker's got in just on time. Ah, yes. It's a crazy church, by the way. I think this has got to be like, shit. Like Lagos or some shit like that. Yeah, close enough. Accra. I don't even know where that is. Oh, I've never heard of it. Ghana, okay. Bro, Biggest Stickers? Yeah, what a name. Yeah, of course. Where we at, chat? What's this say on here? Any clues? Burger Dalam. What the flippity? It's gotta be like somewhere out here. Bro, these areas in Africa look horrible. Yeah, I know, but it's insane. Some areas in the world are fucked up. Chat. Oh, who got it? Bedge. Crazy work. All right, I've taken an early lead, chat. I just got to hold on to this now. Hi, listen, I have an interesting offer for you. I've created a course that teaches people how to start a business with zero investment. Shut up. Why do I get DMs like that every day? Like I'm going to be like, oh, I need that, please. Where is this, bro? Not the skooma spot, chat. I feel like this has got to be like Sweden or something like that. Finland. What's skooma? Iceland, bro. Why is it always Iceland? No way, bro. No way you got that on the dot. 2 people got that on the dot. I've been there as well. I've been to Reykjavik. Scheisse, man. Ooh, this looks nice. But how am I meant to figure out where the fuck it is? Oh, wait. There's houses. Ooh, I'm going to say it's like... I think it could be like here, you know? Little Croatia Roonies. It might even be not there, but oh, yeah, man. What's that? Bosnia and Herzegovina. That's crazy. That's a fucking nice area. Yeah, I was thinking Italy, but then, bro, I've seen that look like Croatia before, so that's what I went for. Yeah, of course. Where are we at now, man? Oh, wait, come on. Give me a sign. Give me something, man. What do you say? Tangerine. This might be like Romania or something like that. Worship center? South Africa. That's Eswatini. Holy shit. I'll take a second place. Thanks for starting without me, gender neutral. Sorry, Kaiser. What's good, by the way, my brother? Hopefully you're good. Milenko first place. I'll take a second. Johannes third. Chat, the price action is absolutely whack right now. Unfortunately, nothing I can take. No liquidity being grabbed. Niche. I'm going to go hit the gym. I'm going to go make $1 billion as well somehow. I'll come back tomorrow and I'm going to be literally wearing 10 APs on my wrist, right? So chat, have a great rest of the day. I've never been with Vantage. Trade appropriately. Peace out, guys. Much love. See you guys in the same stream, same time tomorrow. Have a great one. Bye.